If you work with data in a professional capacity, you need this. And what is this? Well, it's time age columns in your calendar table. Let's jump into the computer and let me explain. All right, so here's my calendar table. And as you notice, I have these columns that are called month age and year age. Now, what these columns allow me to do is they allow me to easily and quickly find either years back or months back. So if I get asked by an executive to say, hey, find me all this data in the past 3 months, I just need to go greater than -3, or find me all of the scheduled data in the next 3 months. I just need to go less than 3. So in time age columns, the current time periods, in this case, this is a month age column, is equal to 0. And then everything before is negative, going back, and everything that's upcoming is positive going up. So what is the point of this? You might be like, well, I can use date functions, or in Power BI, I could use time intelligence functions. The point is twofold. First of all, it saves either Power BI or SQL Server processing. And second, it makes sure that everyone is calculating dates or metrics over certain time periods all the same way, which is a big deal as your data organization grows. What do you think of this concept? Let me know down in the comments. And if you're interested in more data tips like this, consider subscribing. And if this video gets, let's just call it 50 likes, I'll release a video on how to make this calendar table, both in SQL and in Power Query. Thanks for watching.